Where to sign up for Russell Brunson's OfferLab affiliate program? You're in the right place to get the answer to that question. Here I am on the backside of OfferLab. Once you sign up as an affiliate, you also get access to the platform. You can start entering products, all of that. Really exciting. So you're going to make sure you want to sign up because you can do it completely for free. But down below this video, you're going to see a link that takes you to this page, which is the JV page for the launch. I'll switch this page to the normal affiliate after the launch, but you definitely want to be promoting this during the launch if you're here before that September 3rd date. So down below this video, click on the link to take you to this page. Russell can go over a lot of the minute details, but I'm going to give you kind of a big picture view of what the launch is going to look like. You get 100% commissions. There's one upsell for $500. If you make that sale, you get 100% commissions on that. But this is where the gold is. If you sign somebody up, either if they're affiliate or if they're a creator and they have their own product, you get 4% of the merchant fees or the processing volume for life. So let's say now that number can change. So make sure you watch this video. It can be different based on circumstance. Watch the video. He'll go through those details, whether it's 2, 3, 4%, whatever. But imagine an e-com product that does between $50,000 and $100,000 of sales a month, and you get 4% of that every month for life. If someone signs up under you, creator or affiliate, they are cookie to you for life, and you get this for life. There's no reason not to be promoting this. It's going to be one of the most incredible launches, maybe ever, but no doubt of 2025. Make sure to jump in so you can be part of this pre-launch event and the main launch. The link is down below to take you to this page. Watch this from Russell and hop on in. You're not going to regret it.